I'm not sure exactly what happened at the end of the last video, but it's stopped recording somewhere during the video. So I'm going to redo the very last one. There's a little difference. This is going to have two forces. Again, I've got my 20-foot long beam, 0, and then location of the right supports at 20 feet. This is going to have the uniform force going down, and that is going to go from 0 on the left to 20 feet on the right. The load magnitude is going to be 250 foot-pounds, and I'm going to hit enter. Now, this is where we were different with the concentrated load. So the concentrated load. Now, instead of the load location being at the middle, which would be 10 feet, with this problem, and you're going to run into this when you're doing the 3, 2, 4 shortcuts, you're going to see that it says assume the distance A equals 4 feet. So what they're doing is they've got a load that's in 4 feet from the left hand side or 4 feet from the right hand side, whatever. I'll put in 4 feet here on mine. So the load location is at 4 feet, and the load magnitude, that is our 750 pounds, and I'll hit enter. And that's what this one will look like, something similar to this. And if you needed to put another point force over here on the right hand side, you would just repeat by doing this. Now, just so you know, if you make a mistake on these, you can edit them by doing a backspace here, and I could change if I noticed that my distance was incorrect. Say I want my distance to be 5 feet, I could hit enter, and you'll notice that this arrow moved to the right. So you can backspace with the edit, change the numbers. You can go back a couple, whatever you need to do. You can go forwards and then hit enter, and you're going to get your diagrams. So you need to do all 6 of these that are in 3, 2, 4, I think it is, and put them into your engineering notebook and show them to me.